You should have heard the oohs and ahs when I brought this dish to the table. We have some delicious braised short ribs with handmade egg noodles. Preheat your oven to 350 for 1 hour. Then coat the bottom of a large oven-proof pan with oil. Season the ribs generously with salt and pepper, then dust with the flour and place it in the oiled casserole. Cook it uncovered for about 1 hour. Stir and turn the ribs occasionally so that they brown evenly. Skim off the excess oil and add enough water to cover the bottom of the casserole. Now cover your pan tightly and let the ribs cook for another hour until tender. These ribs need gravy. Add some butter, the stock from your ribs, and some seasonings and flour to make a rich sauce to pour over the ribs. To finish the dish off, place your noodles on a serving platter, top with the ribs, pour on the gravy, and garnish with chopped parsley. Serve it immediately. You can serve it with sour cream and red pepper flakes too as accompaniments. The wines with this dish are 2 bold old vine Zinfandels from Lodi. This is a warm wine region in the Sierra foothills with lots of old vines, older than 20 years old. If you like a black pepper flavor in your wine, check out this area. We suggest the Ironstone Old Vine Zinfandel 2018 and the Predator Old Vine Zinfandel 2019. They both pair well with rich beef dishes like braised short ribs and gravy. These are amazing red wines with hints of pepper and dark berries.